Welcome you all. This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this video, I am going to discuss about ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, also called as 1,2-ethane diol, molecular formula CH2OH CH2OH. Ethylene glycol is a colorless oily liquid possessing a sweet taste and mild odor. It is produced commercially from ethylene dioxide, which is obtained from ethylene. Ethylene glycol is widely used as an antifreeze in automobile cooling system and in the manufacture of human-made fiber, low freezing explosive, and brake fluid. Ethylene glycol and some of its derivatives are mildly toxic. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about preparation of ethylene glycol, chemical properties of ethylene glycol, physical properties of ethylene glycol, and uses of ethylene glycol. Preparation of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is produced from ethylene. Ethylene, otherwise known as ethene. Ethene reacted with oxygen in the presence of silver oxide to produce epoxide compound, that is ethylene oxide. This ethylene oxide reacted with water to produce ethylene glycol. Next topic, chemical properties of glycol. Ethylene glycol containing two primary alcoholic groups and it exhibits the usual reactions of hydroxyl groups. So first reaction, when ethylene glycol is treated with hydroiodic acid or phosphorus and iodine solution, 1,2-diiodoethane is formed first and then this 1,2-diiodoethane involved for decomposition to give ethene. For this reaction, ethane 1,2-diol, otherwise known as ethylene glycol, converted into ethene. Ethylene glycol heating with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture means that is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Ethylene glycol convert it into dinitroglycol. Ethane 1,2-diol, that is CH2OH CH2OH, treated with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, product is 1,2-dinitroxyethene. CH2ONO2 CH2ONO2. Common name dinitroglycol. Next chemical property, dehydration reaction. Ethylene glycol undergo dehydration reaction under different conditions to form different product. When ethylene glycol heated to 773 Kelvin, it produces epoxide. Ethylene glycol heated with 773 Kelvin, water molecule is evolved, so that is forming 1,2-epoxyethene, otherwise known as oxirane. This is one of the dehydration reaction. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Note it, temperature 773 Kelvin. Ethylene glycol heated with diluted sulfuric acid or anhydrous ZnCl2 under pressure in a sealed tube, it gives acetaldehyde. Ethane 1,2-diol first treated with diluted sulfuric acid or anhydrous ZnCl2 gives vinyl alcohol, otherwise known as ethanol, is obtained. Immediately, this ethanol involved for tautomerization reaction convert it into ethanol, otherwise known as acetaldehyde, is obtained. This is the conversion reaction of ethane 1,2-diol into ethanol. When 2 moles of ethylene glycol distilled with concentrated sulfuric acid to form 1,4-dioxane compound. This is intermolecular dehydration reaction because dehydration reaction takes place between the molecules. Here we are taking 2 moles of ethane 1,2-diol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. This ethylene glycol is converted into 1,4-dioxane. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiator. Its dinitrate is used as an explosive with TNG, and also that is used for manufacture of 1,4-dioxane as an additive to prevent corrosion in liquid cooling systems of personal computers and inside the lens devices of cathode ray tube for projection televisions. Ethylene glycol is also used in manufacture of some vaccines, but it is not itself present in these injections. Ethylene glycol also used as one of the ingredient in shoe polish and also in some kind of inks and dyes. Ethylene glycol has seen some uses as a root and fungal treatment of wood. Ethylene glycol is commonly used as a preservative for biological specimens, especially in secondary school during dissection as a safer alternative to formaldehyde. It is also used as a part of the water-based hydrolytic fluid used to control subsea oil and gas production equipments. Thank you.